and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and moving on to beat number 5, rhythm number 5. Rhythm number 5, my hi-hat snare remains the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But my bass drum will now be played on number 1 and on the hand of 1, on the hand of 2 and number 3. Goes like this very slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and. Note carefully, whatever my mouth is saying, I'm making sure that my bass drum is following on the same notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When you're comfortable playing your bass drum, you're going to try to hide your bass drum and your hi-hat. And it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Count along and play. Just play this for 5 to 10 minutes to get yourself comfortable. When you feel it's comfortable, you can add your snare drum. Goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When you're comfortable playing all three parts together, well, you're going to try to increase the tempo as you go on. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Moving on to number 6 in the series. This beat number 6 in the series, the bass drum will be played on number 1, the hand of 1, number 3, and on the hand of 3. Remember, always practice the different pieces separately first, then putting them together slowly. Number 6 sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 playing this, you're going to add your snare on beats number 2 and number 4. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and a little slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 now I'm going to combine all 3 pieces. Always remember to start slow. It sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 little faster.